Hello everyone. Today I want to introduce a research process. I think everybody might not familiar with uh, the research is. So before discuss the research process, I will give a definition what the research is. A research is a careful study of the subject, especially in order to discover uh, a new facts or new information. So I think everybody already familiar with the research right now. And research process is a process to help the research to achieve their goal. So we need to have this kind of process to in order to successfully our research. We can take a look this diagram, and they will show the process of a research. And they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 process. I will explain the six process in the following. The first process is define a research object, and it means like when we start to research, we need to define the problem or opportunity. So it is very important the step, and it can help a research to formulate their research object. If we need to know our research, what is our research object is. If we don't know, maybe we don't know how to process our research. So it's a very important step. And we next with the research object, set a research object. The create research brief could be create. This brief can help the research plan how to carry out the project, and the brief should include the background information and timeline such as seen. We need to put in the research brief. And okay, so I think it's very important step. And next step is select the research design and data and source. And they have two ways. The first way is a primary source, and you also can say quantitative source. And the second way is a secondary source, and it's also called a quantitative source. And they have two ways and to collect the data. And next step is the design the data collection tool and collect the data. And next step we discussed that they have two sources we can use in our research, right? So if you use the primary source to collect your data, maybe you can use the surveys and questionnaire and to collect your data. If you choose a secondary source, you can use the focus group and observation, and this way to collect data. Everybody clear what I say, right? Oh, and we can move to next step is called organize and analysis the data. Now, after collecting the data, we need to edit and coding the data in order to prepare to analysis. So this is process to collect and to reorganize our data, and in order to analyze the final result. So this step is like reorganize. Okay, then last step is called present and conclusion and apply the research, and this is final step. And because we reorganize or to collect the data and use the certain way to analyze the data, and we need to present the result of the data, and also need to give a conclusion and to explain and to discuss what the data show us, and to make sure the result do we match the research object. And if we match the research object, so we can apply to our research. If our result of the data cannot match our research object, maybe we should go back to the first step to define our research object again. Okay, that is the whole process of the research. So if you want to do a research, you need to use these 6 steps to do your research. Otherwise, you will make many mistakes in the research. So that's it for the research process. If you have any questions, it's free. You can feel free to ask our questions. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.